Subscribe and click the bell icon for all the television updates.
फिल्म फेयर एडिटर जितेश पिल्ले का हीना खान पर चांदीवली वाले कमेंट से टेलीविजन इंडस्ट्री में तूफान तो ला दिया, मगर अब मानो लगता है कि ये तूफान रुकने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहा। तो बस इसी बात को लेकर अब कपिल शर्मा शो की सुमोना चक्रवर्ती ने भी ट्विटर का सहारा लेकर टेलीविजन एक्टर्स के साथ हुई नाइंसाफी से निराश होकर ये पोस्ट किया। He just happened to mention it on social media, hence everyone's waking up to realize this now. This attitude and outlook towards TV actors has been existing for the longest time. From stylists saying that designers don't want to give their clothes to TV actors, to typecasting us, to not even giving us the opportunity or considering us for film auditions, and now for web shows. TV actors belongs pitted against unsuccessful film actors or just simply the ones who have played small character roles. I know how many times my name has been turned down because I'm a TV face. Arey, that girl na from Couple Comedy Show. No, let's take film actor instead. And trust me, when I heard the name, I was like, who is that? And it was not me being arrogant. I genuinely had to Google to see her work profile. It's just sad. Casting people now telling TV actors to stay away from TV for a while if you wanna get considered for web shows. You know what? You. We are hardworking actors. Not everyone comes from a business or filmy family. And neither do all of us want to spread our legs for career's sake. We all know the bitter truth of Bollywood. Nepotism and casting couch is an existing reality. Let's not kid ourselves. Given the opportunities around, we do the best with what we have. There have been exceptions, yes, but what's the ratio? We aped the West but forgot to learn what ought to be learned. An artist is an artist irrespective of the medium. Respect, honesty, integrity. An actor does a show for years together. Season after season, nobody questions why you're doing only this one show. And they also dabble with other mediums depending on the opportunity presented to them. और इसी पे करण पटेल, करणवीर बोहरा और सिंगर नेहा भसीन ने भी कमेंट करके सुमोना को पूरा सपोर्ट किया। सुमोना पहली सेलिब्रिटी नहीं है जिन्होंने हीना को सपोर्ट किया, बल्कि इंडस्ट्री के अर्जुन बिजलानी और करणवीर बोहरा जैसे बड़े एक्टर्स ने उनका सपोर्ट किया इस कान कंट्रोवर्सी में। आप सभी का क्या ख्याल है सुमोना के इस पोस्ट के बारे में? हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना ना भूले और टेली मसाला को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें।